Hi everyone. How many times has this happened to you where you've used your computer for many months or years and your desktop looks like this, what you see before you? One of the things that I encountered when working with my clients in the past was just this exact problem. And it was very difficult sometimes for them to find their documents. In this video, I'll show you a quick way to organize your files by file types. Let's get started. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is first create some folders. But before we do, let's look at some of these extensions. Some of the files here have a .txt file, a .pdf extension, a .rtf, and let's see, a couple of PDFs, WAV files. So we know we're going to target the specific type of files. You could also organize these files by date. There's different ways you can do this, but for this demonstration, I'll go ahead and just show you how to organize your file types. So here on your desktop, we're going to go ahead and just right click, and from here you're going to select new and then folder. Since I know I have PDFs, I'm going to go ahead and create a PDF folder. Right click it again, new folder, WAV. Do it again, and you can see the pattern that I'm going here with. Here's TXT files, and here's my last folder, RTF. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing now is I'm just going to move these out of the way a little bit here. I'm going to open up again for the very bottom here, File Explorer, and I'm going to navigate to desktop. From here, I can see the same folders, but I can also see all my files and their extensions. Now, in case you don't see the dot extension, in this case, .wab or .rtf, that's very simple. From the top here, you can just click on View and make sure that the file name extension checkbox is selected. Since it's already working, I won't change it. Matter of fact, let me just go ahead and show you. I'm going to check it, and you can see the extension goes away. I go back to View, and I click on it, and you can see the extensions now visible. Now from here, you can see there's a search function. What I'm going to do is I'm going to type star.rtf, okay? And see here, you can see all my files that are RTF. Now on my keyboard, I'm going to do a Control A to select everything. And I'm simply just going to click the first file here and not let go of the left mouse button, and then just drag over to the RTF folder here. And as you can see, as I hover over it, it says move to RTF. I'll let go, and the files are moved over. I'm going to minimize this just for a second, and as you can see, some of the files have disappeared. Not because they're gone, but because they've been put in here. And you can see the folder icon has changed slightly. I'll double click on that. And as you can see, all my RTF files are in this folder now. I'm going to close out of that. Go back to my search here. And then I'm just going to repeat the process. In this case, I'm going to say star.pdf. Again, just select any file in here and just on your keyboard, Control A. Click and drag over to the folder. Move to PDF, yes. Continue on to the next one, star.txt. Again, just select anything inside, then Control A on your keyboard. Click the first file or any of the files here, click and drag over to TXT folder, let go. And finally, move this out of the way a little bit, .wav, and then click and drag. Okay, and then I'm going to close it here, and as you can see, everything got moved except for these two files. Why that is, let's see. All right, well, in this case, for whatever reason, the extension should be worked, but if it didn't, you can could just quickly select these files and move them over to RTF. And then from here, you can see that we started with a very cluttered desktop, and now we have a very clean desktop. Now, this is not the only way you could organize it. You could have also organized it by year, created folders per year, and then recreated this structure in each of those folders. So you'd have a nested, you had a, let's say we're in 2017, you could have had a 2017 folder. Inside that 2017 folder had these 4 files or any other folders and their associated files to better organize it by year, if that's what you need to do to be better organized. But it all comes down to whatever your needs are. And that's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Now that you've discovered my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.